Hi everyone, today I'll be installing the Thetford toilet pump. The customer has tried numerous times to free the impeller, but it keeps seizing, which blows the fuse. So today I'll show you how to install one of these. Wow, the customer had it installed upside down like that, which does not help. As you can see, the impeller's been pushed in, which seizes it. So you can see the difference, how close this one is to the top of this one. There you go. First of all, we strip it back. Don't forget to use the glue melt heat shrink before you crimp it. Electrical pliers, blue to blue, get all the wires in, blue blue, crimp. Brown to brown, crimp. Test to see if it works before you put it in. The glue heat shrink is so that water doesn't get into the connection. So it'd be quicker with a torch, but I only have a lighter. check. Alright, now we'll find a pipe which is taken off. Alright, pipe on. There is a slot for it to sit. So it sits down in the water. There's not really any water in this toilet at the moment. Roll back on. All done. We'll fill the tank up and check it. Okay, there's water in the tank. Beautiful.